What is Safer Internet Day? Safer Internet Day is a day every year with the aim of working towards a safer and better internet where every user gets to use the internet responsibly, safely. This is an annual event which is organised by the UK Safer Internet Centre. It has been marked each year since 2004 in over 100 countries worldwide. This year's Safer Internet Day is on Tuesday the 7th of February, and the theme for 2023 is Want to Talk About It? Making space for conversations about life online. Safer Internet Day explores the online safety support children and young people receive and encourages them to shape the future. The internet has an amazing range of opportunities and information online, but how do we keep it safe for everyone to use? In line with this year's theme, the UK Safer Internet Centre are hoping to answer the following questions. What issues really matter to children and young people? What changes do they want to see? And how can we all work together to advocate for them moving forward? So, how can you enjoy this year's Safer Internet Day in school? Why not try the UK Safer Internet Centre Assembly Pack for a great assembly to kickstart your Safer Internet Day? And back in the classroom, why not try the Safer Internet Day online safety discussion activity sheet? Or this Trustworthy Profiles worksheet, perfect to get your children thinking about being safe on the internet. Many people around the world use the internet every day for work, school or entertainment. We go online for lots of reasons, including watching TV, playing games, watching online videos, talking to friends, finding out things, for homework, and so much more. The internet can be loads of fun. This Safer Internet Day, we can all play a part in making the internet a safer place to be. So, what are the online safety issues that really matter to you? And what changes would you want to see? Let us know in the comments below.